Should I relax or should I blast? Like I'm a missile, bizzle is fucking hot. Spit on the bottom like drizzle, piss on these motherfuckers. I got a problem with this, yo, this is about hip-hop. You don't see me popping a pistol, it's all about the props. Soon as you drop in the crystal, cause even if you flop, these motherfuckers will miss you, diss you until you crop. And pop back with a fist to release punches that will knock any dispute. You see when I'm talking to you, hockey barking to you, you be bugging, dude, I never put no bark into you. I don't fear, you will not scare me, no. Have a beer, kick, bus, hurry, flow is what I'm about. Taking a shot, not giving a fuck. Don't dog, drunk, passing out. You faggots is not gonna put any stop to what I'm about to drop and have you bow down too. So stop passing down.
I will fuck you up, I will chase you down. Motherfucker, I don't give a fuck, I'll break you now. What the fuck you want? I will make you proud. As I take your fucking life and as I take your crown. I will fuck you up, I will chase you down. Motherfucker, I don't give a fuck, I'll break you now. What the fuck you want? I will make you proud. As I take your fucking life and as I take your crown.
Abusing is my catch, there's an elevation to reach when a patient of mine will teach you that you're just a bitch. You're fucking roaming and blank will soon catch up this motherfucker.